This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael.amory. The first floor of the home features an in-law suite with a beautifully updated full bathroom and kitchenette. The main space is a spacious and open floor plan with cathedral ceilings and wide doorways. The second floor of the home features a loft, great for a home office or bonus room, a large master with ample closet space, and an additional bedroom. The HOA includes 2 piers, playgrounds, 2 parks, tennis courts, ground maintenance of non-fenced areas and trash pickup. For more information, review the details below.